We have a couple of external resources you can use. As I mentioned before, we have the Redis cache um, option that you can use for your caching layer, and we've got documentation on how to connect that and get it up and running. I don't have an example of a Redis server running locally at this point. Otherwise, I would go ahead and do that. You have the option of doing external Elasticsearch, as I mentioned yesterday. And we strongly recommend that you have a dedicated Elasticsearch team in place that is already experienced with it. It is definitely an advanced function to do this. We support a couple different kinds of single sign-on solutions. First of which being CAS, which is pretty straightforward to set up. And these are done through your .marketing config properties, like most other configuration changes are. We talked about LDAP already. We also support OAuth through a plugin. And this is one of those static plugins that would go in your plugins folder. So that would go in that plugins folder. You download this plugins, dotCMS, OAuth, unpack it here, and then deploy your plugins. SAML is largely the same. It's a plugin that you can download from our GitHub. That's the old version. Where's the new one? We have to figure out where the new one is. Yeah, we've just made major releases. Oh, there it is, SAML 3. Just made some major changes to update for the SAML 3 protocol and to work with the dotCMS 4 branch. I think the 4.0 SAML plugin is due to be released this month. Yeah. And we currently have it running SAML 3 up to dotCMS 3.7.